Alright, today for Py4bot we're going to test a new program that utilizes the Astro-Pi sense hat. I've called this program Hexapod. It has actually pretty interesting output mechanically for the robot because there's not a PID loop implemented in this. It's just simply taking the tilt from the IMU and feeding it back into the robot, but it's an interesting result nonetheless, but definitely shows that we need to put a PID loop in this. So I'll go ahead and execute the program here. And this is the interesting part of the process. The robot kind of goes into this little oscillation, and the oscillation seems to get worse over time. Now it will eventually settle sometimes. It looks like it might. Maybe. And then, of course, you know, tilting the board, I mean, you can tell that the program is working. It does try to keep the robot level, but in doing so, it's also going into oscillation. So looks like this idea will work, but it definitely needs some, like a PID loop in it to dampen the oscillations. So, oh well, small steps. We'll get it eventually. Yep, there we go. Nice and quiet, right? Maybe. We'll see. Yeah, kind of going back into oscillation again. Maybe. Okay, but if I upset it a little bit, it might go back into oscillation. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah. Yeah. As predicted. Okay, so just got to implement a PID loop into the tilt function of this, and you know, we'll get it figured out. That's all for now. Whoop. Steady there, Hexy. Yeah. I think Hexy's had a little too much to drink here. Yeah, we're definitely crashing the servo here. Oh.